Get funded with $100,000 to trade. No risk, all reward, right? That's the promise of prop firms. And in 2025, they're more popular than ever. But behind the flashy ads and dream payouts lies a truth many new traders miss. Today, we're exposing everything: the good, the bad, and whether prop firms are still worth it. Let's go. So, what is a prop firm? Short for proprietary trading firm, it's a company that gives traders access to large amounts of capital, often $10,000 to $200,000, in exchange for a share of the profits you make. You don't keep the full profit. Usually the firm takes 10 to 30%. But here's the catch. Before they give you a live account, you must pass a challenge. And most traders don't. Most prop firms have a two-step process. First, the challenge. Prove you can make a certain percent return without breaking rules. Then, the verification phase, usually with a smaller target. Pass both and you get funded. You pay to enter, maybe 100, 300 or more, and if you break a rule, you fail, no refund. Now let's be fair, prop firms do have real benefits. If you're consistent, you can trade big capital without risking your own money. You learn discipline, because if you overtrade, you're out. And when you get it right, you can earn thousands per month. But let's talk about the dark side, because yes, there's plenty. Most traders fail the challenge. Why? Unrealistic expectations, stress, revenge trading. And then there are the rules. No weekend holding, no trading news, tight drawdowns. One mistake and you're done. Some firms have even shut down recently, leaving traders unpaid. So yeah, not all that glitters is gold. One trader passed their challenge, made $4,000 in a month, and got paid fast. Another passed twice, and both times the firm changed their rules mid-contract. It's a mixed bag, and it depends on the firm and the trader. So, are prop firms worth it in 2025? If you've got a tested strategy, emotional control, and discipline, yes, it's a great shortcut to trading serious capital. But if you're just starting, hoping to get rich quick, you'll probably lose money fast. Prop firms aren't scams, but they're not magic either. Trade smart, prepare well, and always protect your mindset. Have you tried a prop firm? Drop your story in the comments, and don't forget to check out my video on how to build a trading plan from scratch. See you next time on Learn FX.